had requested the central government for coming out with an amendment to the MMDR Act. So there was not a question that there was never a question of ordinance. So the news which is being circulated regarding the ordinance, I think it is misleading because the state government has never asked for the ordinance. What has been requested for is the amendment to the MMDR Act. And so far as we are concerned, we are also pursuing the matter with the central government with regard to the amendment to the MMDR Act. Because if you issue an ordinance, it will have to be ratified by the House, that is the Parliament, and that will also take its own time. So instead of that, in what we have been thinking of is that basically an amendment to the MMDR Act, and if possible, it could be brought in the Parliament, the forthcoming Parliament session. So while preparing the grounds for the amendment, in fact, all the stakeholders, including the concerned departments, have to be taken into confidence, and accordingly, the union government will come out with the amendment proposal. I think there should not be any kind of a panic kind of a situation among the stakeholders or otherwise the people who are directly and indirectly dependent on the mining. And I would like to assure them that the state government as well as the union government as well as we as their representatives are fully committed for the resumption of mining in the state. And the basically the what is required is the route could be only through the legal recourse. So that legal recourse, all the possibilities and options were explored, are being explored, and what has been decided. Besides that, also amendment, and after that also immediately you have to start the mining. So that also that all these possibilities have been taken into consideration, and accordingly the union government is supporting the whole idea. And I'm quite sure that the proposal would be moved in the forthcoming session.